On my back to JavaScript, let me show the endsWith method. It works the same way as the startsWith, but this time it starts counting from the end of our string. I simply use the string hello world again. And then I add the method endsWith, and inside of the quotation marks I add the exclamation mark, and now it's true because our string ends with it. If I make it a simple point, it's false. If I make this world, it's going to be false as well. I have to make it world and then exclamation mark. As I've said, it starts counting from the end, so therefore you have to watch out for white spaces, punctuation, stuff like this. We make that hello. This is false as it starts with it. Or we can also define the point from which it's going to count. This has the index 4, but be aware if we add 4, it's going to be false as well, because it doesn't start counting at the index, it starts counting at the character count. So hello has 5 characters, therefore we have to use a 5 and not a 4. It's a little bit confusing because the age is at the index 0, but when you start counting characters, the age would be the 1. So keep that in mind when you use endsWith. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.